Hi everyone, my name is Haley, and today I am going to show you how I did a couple DIY fake desserts using Dollar Tree products, and so I hope you enjoy. So the first thing I'm making here is kind of a play on Dippin Dots. I used the foam beads from Dollar Tree, just the white ones. At this point, I couldn't find the colored ones. So I just put a couple drops of food dye in a bag and just mixed them up until they were colored. And then I poured them in this glass that I got from Dollar Tree. And then in a moment, you'll see me mix them up so it looks like the cotton candy Dippin Dots. These foam beads are so messy, by the way. Forewarning. Very staticky, and they stick to everything. And they get everywhere. So I just mix it up here. And then what I'm going to do is take the white fabric paint from Dollar Tree, and we're going to coat the rim of the glass. And we're going to use just the plain white foam beads as kind of like sprinkles to go around the rim. I wish I would have used the smaller foam beads. Dollar Tree makes a size smaller foam bead, and I think it would have looked a little bit more natural, but it's okay. It turned out cute anyway. So you see me here just taking the white beads very messily, just rimming the glass. I probably should have rimmed it first and avoided all the mess and worrying about it. So, and then I just put this little blue spoon in there that I had from Dollar General. So, and I think I add a bow later on. So here now you're going to see me making a strawberry milkshake. At first I tried to paint the glass, and then I realized, nope, that's not going to work. So I added some water and mixed it up, and I just poured it in there. And I decided to just eventually just like turn the glass and get the inside of the glass coated. You want to just do a thin coat, as thin as you can, but that's going to cover to where you won't be able to see through the glass. Again, I'm just using that same glass, a different glass from Dollar Tree, and coating it. Then you're going to see me taking this foam piece. I took like a foam cone and I cut it to fit the glass, and I just shoved it in the top there just as space filler. And you can use whatever you want, just you need a space filler. And then I'm taking the white light spackle in a piping bag, and just kind of, putting it on there to where I thought it looked like whipped cream. Just, trying to get it on there. One good thing about this is that, I was like afraid to touch it, but it's, you can shape it a little bit. So if something's sticking out on the edge or whatever, you can just, tap it with your finger and it goes right into place. It's not going to mess it up. All right, so then that's what it looks like so far. Again, here I do rim the glass with the foam beads, and I should have done that first. Yeah, so you're going to see me here taking the white puff paint again, rimming the glass, and then using the foam beads. Now on this one, it doesn't look as bad using the larger beads, but I wish I would have used the smaller ones on the cotton candy Dippin Dots. And then I use, you can use whatever you want to decorate the top, just whatever you think looks good. I ended up using table scatter. I used a piece of red table scatter there for the cherry and just a red twist tie. I know Dollar Tree sells twist ties in the treat bags that you can get in the birthday section. So if you can find a red, that would be perfect, or green. You could also use green. And then I also used conversation hearts. I used the white ones and the pink ones out of the bag just to kind of go with the theme. And then I used the white and pink table scatter that they sell for Valentine's Day. And I just kind of placed these where I thought they would look nice, just all over. I used a few of each. And then you'll see me put the cherry on top. And then Dollar Tree sells paper straws. I know they, sometimes they're hard to find at my Dollar Trees, but they do sell paper straws. So if you get the chance to get that, you can use that. But I ended up using a dowel rod. So here, I don't know if I thought that was going to look like marshmallow topping or what, but I thought it needed some icing or something. This was my first go at it, so. Okay, so here you'll see me taking that wooden dowel rod that I had. I cut it in half and then I just painted it red. It was a little bit hard to get into the styrofoam though, so I don't know if maybe maybe poking it first with like a, you know, a knife or something to make a hole, but maybe make the hole before you put the styrofoam in. I don't know, that'd be kind of hard to find though. So I just had to shove it a little bit hard, and then it moved my spackle around a little bit. But like I said, you can, you know, manipulate that a little bit and then cover it with the paint. And so there we go. Those are the Dippin Dots and the fake strawberry milkshake. And then you can also see there at the bottom, I made a 2-tiered cake, and it was so much fun. So if you guys want to see how I did that, let me know, and I could make another one. And you'll see me, I did a couple lollipops there in the background too. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.